see. So this is what we can say the next question that is from where we have left that one. That was all about this question number 16. So please, it's a very simple one. The first one is very simple.
Okay.
Can you read this? If I just going to
Yep.
zoom that,
Sure.
so I'm sure that now you can see this one.
Yeah, I'm just making a little bit more room on my desk
Okay,
real quick.
okay.
So this one says if x squared plus 16x is equal to 12, sorry, no, 425, and x is greater than 0, what's the value of x?
X must be greater than 0. So
Right,
neglect the negative value if you are getting any. It's a quadratic
right.
one.
Yeah,
Plug in. That is the way to solve this one.
yeah, well, okay.
So equation, you can try these values. So very soon you will get the answer. The
Yeah,
left hand side
so,
is the right hand side. Otherwise, you can solve this quadratic equation. That is the lengthy
yeah,
method. But if you are just plugging, I think 3
yeah, I could
must
just
be
do
the
that.
answer. 225 is a large number. So you must start from the bigger one.
Right, okay, so
First
let's
is
see
not.
this. Okay, so it can't, wait,
It
so
cannot be 3,
x
it cannot
minus
be
9,
5.
it's, yeah, I got, okay, it can't be 3 or 5. I also think, okay, it can't be, I think it's 9, because if you factor out x minus 9, you get x is equal to, sorry, x is equal to 9, and then x is equal to negative 25. So I'm gonna go with 9, the last one.
Okay. And the second way is if you are just putting 9 nines are 81, and the first plus 16 into 9.
Oh, I could have done that. Yeah, true.
Okay. So in this way, let's suppose your choice is 9. Okay. We are just moving to the
Yeah.
next question. Anyhow, there are so many ways to attempt the question. Now let's see. If you can see this one, I am just zooming that. So you will be in the better position to read this.
Okay. Steve is ordering new display cases for his store. Each case is 8 feet in length and extends from floor to ceiling. Okay. His store has 120 feet of wall space that includes 23 feet of windows along the wall. If the display cases cannot be moved in front of the windows, which of these inequalities includes all possible values of D? The number of display cases that could be used. Okay, so D has to be, so 120 feet, 120, 23 feet of windows. So minus 23, and then 8 times the length. So 8, um, so 8D. Um, hmm. So I'm gonna go with
Yes, please.
the second one.
Second one.
Sorry, the first one. First one.
First one. Okay. Now let's see. The next question is this one. It's a very simple one. If you can
Okay.
see this question, it's very
Could
simple.
you zoom in it? Okay, there we go. So
Okay.
C cubed, okay, C cubed plus 12C is equal to negative 112. If
So
C is
positive
great,
0 and 2 cannot be the answer. You have the only two choices. That must be negative.
yeah,
Minus 2, minus 4.
right,
Out of this, you will have to select that.
right. Okay, so, okay, let me just plug it in like you said
Oh,
last
yes.
time. Plus 1, that would be Okay, it's -4.
Oh, yes, absolutely right. Because you have a very large number, although it's a negative.
Yeah.
Okay, 4. So 4 was your choice. So we are just moving to the next question. That is this one. I'm just going to zoom that. Okay,
All right.
look at
So
this.
Jack orders a box of pencils for $3 per box. Tax of 9.25% is added to the cost of the pencils before a flat shipping fee of $5 closes out the transaction. Which of the following represents total cost of pencils in dollars? Okay. Um, total cost. So it has to be three times E. Uh, okay, plus 5. So I'm gonna go with wait. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go with the second last one.
Second last, this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Just flashing the next question. That is once again I'm zooming. Okay,
All right.
let's see.
A plant goes at a linear rate. After 7 weeks, the plant is um, 56 centimeters tall. All right. What is the function that best models relationship between height and uh, weeks of growth?
Yes.
So weeks is 7. So 7 times. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm gonna go with the second one.
This one is the second is
Yeah.
okay. And next one is once again I'm just zooming that.
Yep.
Okay.
Which of the following is equivalent to 15x squared plus 5x plus 6y plus 4x squared minus. Hold on, I'm gonna write this down. 19x squared plus 5. So 15x squared. Uh,
I think the fourth and second, you will have to choose between these two. And furthermore, you can also select the last one is a negative. So first is
right.
cannot be,
Okay.
third cannot be, and last cannot be. So we have only one choice. It's very simple, just addition
Oh,
of
the
that.
second one.
Okay, good. Because second one
Oh,
and
oh
fourth
my
one.
God. I was trying to solve for X and Y.
No,
I
no,
don't know why I
no.
started
What
doing
you
this.
are, that's why what I am saying that this is a crucial point. What I mean to say that just look at this plus
Yeah.
where you are going to solve that. There is no sign of equality, no zero. They
Yeah.
are not asking for any equivalent to. Equivalent to. That's why this is my point of concern. That whenever you are looking the question, you are not focusing on that. You are just going running after the solution. So why you are
Right.
not spending few seconds? So this is a basic step. So that's my concern. That these are the silly mistakes, and all the time they are
Right.
becoming blinders. So simple as that. So anyhow, please be focused on the question first. If you are
All right.
spending a few extra seconds just to get the gist of the question, you will be in a better position to give the answer. Anyhow, we are just moving to the next. So that's why I'm putting you on this practice. Okay, the
Right.
next one is this one. I'm just going to zoom that. I think now you can see this. An
All right.
advertisement.
Yeah. An advertisement for toothpaste reads 8 out of 9 dentists recommend pearly white toothpaste for your dental health. No other information is given. Based on what is here, which of the following inferences is most valid? Your teeth will be guaranteed stronger if you use PWT. No, if you do not. use PWT? No. Only one dentist feels PWT is an inferior product. No. Of the dentists that's surveyed by PWT, the majority recommended it. It is a way to improve your dental health. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the last one.
Okay, good. So more logical. Anyhow,
Yeah.
we are just going to the next. So this one is, look at this.
Okay.
Well, this is the equation. What is the value of x? You're looking
Okay.
for the value of
So
x.
wait, I'm just making sure. Is that a 2 to the power of x plus
It's a,
8?
no. It's half x plus 8 and 3/4 of x minus 3.
Oh,
It's
okay. Yeah,
half
that
x
just
plus
looks kind
8.
of weird.
Oh, yes.
Okay, I'm gonna write that down. Half x plus 8
And
is
3/4
equal to,
x minus 3.
okay, x minus 3. Yeah, it just looked kind of weird.
Anyhow.
Okay, and let's see. Okay, hold on, make sure this is right.
Anyhow. Just solve that.
I got 44.
44. Okay, anyhow. We will see its answer in detail after that.
Right.
So the next question is just zooming for you. This is the story.
Okay,
You can read
a
now.
happy cat enjoys 9.5 to 19 ounces of milk for every 10 pounds of his weight. John has a 15 and a 25-pound cat. Which of the following ranges represents the approximate total of the ounces of milk that the two cats need to be happy? Okay, start with the minimum times then 9. Right. Okay, so it's 90. Um, oh, 15 and 25. Okay, 15 and then 237.5. Okay, the second last one.
Second last is this one. Okay.
Yeah.
So the next question is, so let's see. This is,
Gene is making a dry rub based on the recipe his friend from the United States sent him, but he needs to convert ounces to grams to understand the recipe. If the rub requires 4 ounces of cane for every 7 ounces of paprika, and there's total ounces 20, sorry, 91 total ounces of paprika in the rub, how many total grams of cane and paprika are required? Okay, so how many are they? 91 ounces, 7 for 1. So that means that um 13 versus 2 is equal to 91. Right.
and conversion is also given 1 ounce
Yeah.
is equal to,
And then 91. Okay. Let me just add 367. Oh, wait. 90, 13 times 28.3, and then 91 times 28.3. Add these up. I got, and then okay, I messed up, I think. So I'm just gonna skip this question because I think I took too long on it. So I'll just go with the
Okay,
second last one.
okay. So we are just skipping this one. Anyhow,
Yeah,
we will come to the solution. We will just
yeah.
talk about it in detail. Anyhow, next is this one. So now you can see. I sure now. So zoom in.
Okay. Frank measured the amount of liquid that evaporated over a 12-day period it from his container with L equaling ounces of liquid. And at the end of the day two, he had lost 3 ounces. End of day seven, an additional 6 ounces. But the end of day 12, the container had lost one third of what remained at the end of day seven. Wait, day 12, the container had lost one third of what remained in the end of day seven. Which of the following represents the remaining amount of liquid in ounces in Frank's container at day 12? Okay, okay, so it lost at the end of day two, so it lost 3 ounces. At the end of day seven, an additional 6 ounces. Okay, so that's 9. By the end of day 12, the container had lost one third of what remained at the end of day seven. Okay, divided by 3. Yeah. Then that means that this is I'm going with the second one.
Okay. So for more to go, then we'll talk about all these questions, the solution
Sure.
especially.
All right. An entertainment superstore is running a special sale on DVDs and Blu-rays. DVDs are priced at $8 during each sale, while Blu-ray is priced at $15. Each price point is a 20% reduction off the regular price. Sale pulls in 1,250 with 60 total units sold. During a regular day, DVDs and Blu-ray combined for around 800 in total sales, while moving two-thirds the number of units in the special sale day. Solving which of these systems of equations will reveal D and B sold during a regular day? Okay. Um, special during the sale. So B plus B. Okay. Wait. Sale pulls in $125 with 60 total units sold. And 8D. Okay. The second one.
Second one, okay, we are going for the second one. So, three more to go, and then we'll talk about the solutions and your
Yep.
grading. So, next one is just like that, if you can see.
All right. Blake earns a base pay of $10 per hour at a clothing boutique. He also earns a certain percentage on commission sales. Blake works an average of 37 hours per week over a 2-week period. He also helps broker 7,500 sales, and his total pays 1,000 for the 2-week period. Approximate what percentage commission does he earn? Okay, he makes $1,000 over 2 weeks. So hmm, 1,000. Um, um, I'm gonna go with the second option.
Second option, okay. So this is the second one, and we are moving to the second last question. So this one is the second last for today.
All right. If wait, if C plus X, uh, wait, how is that? How do you like
Oh
read
yes,
that part?
yes. It's a what you can say that if C plus X and it's divided by. What I mean to say that it's just like which of the following could be an expression of C in terms of that. So that must be divided by. What I mean to say that C plus X divided by X minus 3 and X plus
Okay.
8 divided by 3. You can take just like that. So initially I'm just getting in this way. But anyhow, we will look at the
Okay.
solution also. So it's just for the
Yeah.
trial.
Okay. X plus 8 divided by 3. Okay. So C should be um okay. I'm not sure about this
Okay,
one.
anyhow, we are just
Yeah.
skipping it. We will see the answer in detail and a little bit the correct format. So this is the last question of the day. So I'm just going to
Okay.
zoom it for your eyes only. Look at this.
Okay. Thanks. All right. Larry wants to complete a marathon in under 6 hours, but he knows he needs to run 26.2 miles the whole way. He'll need to run R and walk W. If he's able to walk at 4 miles per hour and run at 6 miles per hour, what system of inequality shows his total running and walking time? Okay. Run or walk, that should equal running plus walk should be uh wait, 4 plus 6, right? And then 4W.
Yes. Sure. Now let's see. Select your
I got
choice. Okay, which one is?
1.
Which one is?
1. A.
First,
The first one.
first choice. Should
Yeah.
we click? Okay, look at this. Now, this was your choice, and we are just going to see the answer. What I mean to say, this one. What you will have to do, you will have to put the numbers. Which one is the wrong one? You can just put the cross or ticks anywhere on paper.
Sure.
Just because we not count the first 15 questions that we have gone through.
Okay, yeah.
So let's see. We are starting from this question, view the answer. Let's see. That is, we are just starting from this. The first is your answer. It's absolutely right. So well done. So this was the last 30th question, and your mental calculation was correct. So we are not going to talk in detail for this. So we are just moving to the previous one. That was, you attempted in this way. That was you actually for
Yeah.
review anyhow, we are just going to see the answer in the correct format. So this one, no answer selected anyhow. This is expression is in term of this. The answer is in this way. Now look at this. Step 1, cross multiply. What I mean to say, that's why I am saying that this is the division. And you might have written that.
Right.
Have you? You might have written there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cross multiply. The first step is cross multiply. Step 2, add minus 3x to both sides just to get rid of this x minus 3. Okay. Next, step 3 is multiply both sides 1 of 3 to simplify 3c to c. Step 4, break down the quadratic equation. X plus 6 into x minus 4. Answer is 3.
Okay.
Can you solve that? Now, just
Yeah,
now.
yeah. Okay, I got it. Yeah.
Okay, because that's why I'm saying that this is divided by. So you have two expression, left hand
Yeah.
side and right hand side, cross multiplication, and then
Yep.
okay. So the C is that you are looking for C. So C can be written in this way.
Okay.
I'm sure that you can solve this
Yeah,
one.
I just messed up. Yeah.
Okay, anyhow, that was if the that was also confusing because the misprinting is there, so
Yeah,
they
that's pretty
can
much why I just
yes,
miss things like that.
that's why. Anyhow, that may come in your actual paper, but anyhow, you will have to be using the
Yeah.
comments, and that these may be the division anyhow. So we are just you can put the tick and the cross over there. We will stop
Yeah, I
at
have.
the question number 16. So anyhow,
Okay.
this was the your choice. As you can see now, we are just going to view the answer. So let's see. Answer is this one, 3.5. So explanation. Look at this. He earned
Okay, yeah.
$740 in base pay and
Right.
$260 in commission on 7,500 of sales. Approximately 3.5 is 260. Answer is 3 correct. So you can see the
Okay,
statement
wait.
for it's a approximately what percent commission does he earn? $10
Yeah,
or a clothing 40. But anyhow, I'm sure that you can. The first thing is that's why I'm saying that take your time. It's a practice, please. One thing is.
right.
The second thing is that when while you are reading the question, you must jot down the main points, the mathematics. Let's suppose
Right.
Black earns base pay. So he earns $740 in base pay. So it's a basic pay. And
Right.
$260 in commission. And how much the sale was? 7,500 of sales. So you will have to make the percentage. Sales also pay $1,000 for the 2 week period. Approximately what percentage commission does he earn? So his commissioning on these sales, the basic is this
Yeah.
one, then this one. But anyhow, I'm sure that you will take your time and to solve that.
Yeah.
And I think it's clear now. If there is any other,
Yeah.
you need any more explanation? This was enough, I think
No,
so.
I just took a screenshot of this so I could find like different questions
Okay,
like this and just practice. Because I just
okay,
messed up on like yeah.
okay. Anyhow, it's a practice you are learning, and you are also doing better than the previous one. But anyhow, we are just moving to the previous question. That is your with your choice answer that is displaying now that you have gone for the second one, and if we are just going to view its answer, so let's see. Oh, absolutely wrong in the way that first was that, and that is the length question, so you will have to jot down each and everything over there. The explanation is, look at the explanation. Since the problem is asking for the numbers of D and B
Yeah.
on a regular sale day, answer 1 is the only choice that rings true. D plus 4. D plus 4, the number of combined units, and
Yeah.
10G with $10 being the regular price of DVDs, while
Oh, right.
$18.75 is the regular price of Blu-ray, adding up to 800. So
Yeah.
the unit price of DVD 10, we will have to multiply that. The real price of 18.75, that's for B, and when we are adding up, we will get 800. That was given around combined for during regular day, DVD and Blu-ray combined for around $8,800. So this is, just look at this, $800 is not there anywhere.
Right.
This was. So we'll have to focus in there. I think you got the idea. Next time when
Yeah.
this
I
type of,
just forgot about the sales. What do you call it? Like the
okay, okay.
sales money
Okay,
is different than
that's
the
why
yeah.
read the statement carefully, and while you are reading, just jot down the main things, main digits. So you can put D for this price and B for this price, and total is this, what you will have to do. So anyhow, it's just a practicing and you are just learning stage. It's a good that you can understand your mistakes. So we are just moving to the previous question. It's your choice, and we'll see. This was the question. Second was your choice, and we are just going to view the answer. Either, oh yes, once again, there is something wrong. What I mean to say, let me once again, just we are looking for this. If L is the ounces of liquid, and we are wanting to know how much was
Right.
lost at the end of day 12, 12 day, at the end
Yeah.
of 12 day. Then we must start with what was lost at the end of day 7. That is
Yeah.
given the 3 ounces from day 2 plus 6 ounces from day 7 for a total of 9 ounces lost. So we have L minus 9. But we also know that at the end of 12 day, the remaining amount is reduced by 1/3 of the total remaining.
Yeah.
So divide the loss, that was L minus 9 by 3. And we subtract this amount from the total number of ounces. Answer 3 is
Right.
the only correct choice because total amount is L and lost
Right.
during the first 9 days, L minus 9 gone. Then the remaining amount is 1/3 of that lost quantity, 1/3. So we'll have to divide 3. So L, the total amount, and L
Okay.
minus 9, the total lost, and that is the remaining of that 1/3 of that quantity. One
Okay.
third of the remaining quantity. It's a very clear,
Okay. Yeah.
one third
Yeah.
of.
So it's okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
So it's
anyhow,
like I
anyhow,
so I minus 9 divided by 3 is the
yes.
seventh we call it the 12th day.
Okay, okay. In this way.
Okay. Yeah, I get
Anyhow,
it.
anyhow, anyhow, we are just moving to the next the previous question and your choice, and we will view the answer. So this was, I think, you skip either or anyhow.
Yeah,
may-
because I thought I messed it up like once and then it was taking too long to do again. So I was just like, let's just move
Oh,
on
yes.
so I don't waste
Anyhow,
time.
anyhow, you will have to convert your answer at the end that 1 ounce is equal to 28.3 gram. So let's see the answer is in this way, no answer selected. Uh, Actually, the explanation in this way that what will have to convert the sentences into mathematical form. That is that 4 by 7 and x by 91 from where these are coming. Look at this. Gene is making a dry. This is 4 requires 4 ounce of uh, cane for 7 ounce of paprika, and there is 91. So that's why what you will have to do that how many total grams of cane and paprika are required. So what 4 and 7, if rub requires 4 ounces of for 7 ounces and 91 is the total ounces of paprika. So
Yeah.
it's a actually what we can say that this is just like a ratio type of the question. What I mean to say that if we are just going to write in this way, just for a little while, I am giving another idea. That is the one thing that is 4:7, and then that was what I mean to say that X, we are looking for the total grams X, and that is the total quantity is 91. So this was all about that, what we can say. Then from this ratio 4 to 7, look at this requires 4 and 7. One is 4. You can just get the idea from here that 4 for 7 ounces of paprika. This is a 7, 4:7. And there is 91 ounces of paprika in the rub. How many total
Right.
grams of cake? So this is coming for the paprika 91,
Yeah.
and how many of this, how many total grams of cane
Yeah.
for paprika. So X we can for this. Okay. Now four
Right.
quantities. So four quantities can be related in this way. So 4 by 7, x by 91. We're looking for that, and this will be the what we can say cross multiplying after putting in the fraction. So you'll get the
Yeah.
answer. So what we can say that anyhow, just take your time and learn the techniques how to do that. These two fractions are equivalent to one another. So we know 52 equals x if we are multiplying that. Since we are looking for the total grams of both ingredients, it's necessary to add 52 and 91, then multiply the product with this equivalent 28.3. This was the conversion, that 1 ounce is equal to 28.3. That's why he is saying that multiply this. This gets to the answer 4 as the correct answer. Anyhow, you can solve this in your own time also, but this is the way. Anyhow, we are just moving to the previous question that was coming out just now. So your choice was second last, and we are just looking for the answer. So this is once again, look at the explanation. This is what I mean to say. You have about 40 pounds of cat in word problem. 40 pounds. For every 10 of those pounds, you have anywhere from 9.5 to 10 ounces. Multiply
Right.
both times 4 and you get 38 and 76 ounces on the low and high ends respectively. Therefore, answer 1 is correct. Now look at this. Uh,
Oh, right.
9.5 to 19 ounce of milk for 10 pounds of his weight. John has 15 and 25 too. Which of the following ranges represent the approximate total of ounces of milk that the two cats need to be happy? What I mean to
Right.
say, that M is the amount of this 9.5 to 19 ounces of milk for every 10 pounds of his weight. 10 pounds.
Right.
So
Yeah, I
15
forgot
pounds.
to divide by 10 there.
Okay. Anyhow, 15 pounds and 25 pounds. Which of the following represent? So 30 AM must lies between 38 and 76. 380 and 760 is that much. Only the division of 10 must be there. Okay.
Yeah.
Every 10 pounds of his weight. Every
Right.
10 pounds of weight.
10 pounds.
So it's not 380 or 760, 10 pounds. So for every 10 pounds, you will have to divide that. If you are dividing, so you will get the correct answer. Anyhow, you are learning this, that what is the use of this 10 pounds of his weight. So just moving to the previous one. That was question with your choice. That was 23rd question. In the equation below. So what I was suggesting, the half x plus 8 and 3, 4 x minus 3. That was my choice when you were asking what is the correct format of that question, 44. Now let's see, we are just looking the answer and then we'll come to know the exact. So your answer is correct. Anyhow, in the equation below, that's a value. You are cross multiplying. So it's exactly what I mean to say, that this and then
Right.
this, putting over here, 8 is coming over here, 3 by 4, that's what I was saying, half of the x plus 8 and 3 by 4 of x is minus 3. So just this
Right.
3 is coming over here, x is going over there, and this way we are getting the answer. So your answer is absolutely cross multiplying and get 44 is equal to x. Check your work by plugging in 44x and two side will be equal. That is the other way to get the answer. But anyhow, your answer is correct. So we are not talking
Yeah.
about that. So the previous is, look at this. So in advertisement toothpaste, so that was the last one was your answer. Okay, we are just going to view the correct answer. That is absolutely right. Your answer is matching. So answer 1 and not be implied anyhow. So good, well done. We are just moving to the previous one. With your choice, that was second. Second was your choice, and we are just looking the
Yeah.
viewing the correct answer. Absolutely right. So it's addition. That's why I'm saying just take care, take care. What I mean to say that if you are looking the question, you are jotting down your points over there, the main you are converting, that will be the correct answer. Anyhow, addition, add all parts with like signs and you will get the answer. So moving to the previous one, that was your choice, and we are just viewing the correct answer. That is absolutely well done. Okay, this time you are looking good,
Great.
better than the previous one. So we have to stop at this question number 15, 16. So we are at 19. So once again, the answer is marked by you, and we are just viewing the, oh, absolutely right. Well done. So no need to explain this.
Yeah.
We are just moving to the question number 18, and we just rematch. Oh, absolutely good. Well done. Good. So the previous one. So 17th question. And oh, good. Well done. Once again, that's the required way. Okay, 16th question. That was the first question of our day. And you have opted for 9. Absolutely. Congratulations. Anyhow, so that's the way, that's the hope that if you're doing a little bit more, then you will be up to the mark. What I mean to say. So let's see if you have marked your marking. What I was saying that you must put down something over there. So anyhow, if you are just going to, what I mean to say, the previous was not included. So how many ticks you have? Are you with me or
Yeah.
gone?
I'm here.
Okay.
No, I'm here. I'm here.
So we will have to start from 16. Okay. Forget about all these. So 16 is
Right.
correct, 17 is correct, 18. Only you have, what I mean to say, that up to the question number 30. So 15, forget about the yesterday. Okay.
Right.
Not answer, not answer. We have started from question number 16. So how many questions? What?
I stopped counting after a bit because I was
Okay, okay,
checking
okay,
over my
okay,
work.
okay, okay. No problem. We can get just like that. So if this one is just like that, to this one, anyhow, we are just return to that, and we will have to actually minus that. What I mean to say. So you have attempted total 13th question, and 2 were not answered. So out of 13, so it will have to 30. But forget about that. Look at this. The answer is displaying just like we are starting from question number 16. Look at this. So
Oh, perfect.
this time you committed only 6 mistakes. 6
Yeah.
mistakes. And how many corrects? I think
We answered 15,
nine,
right? So
nine,
it's
nine,
9. Yeah.
9. So 9. And your answer is 9 by 15 into 100. What is the answer?
9 divided by 15
Yes,
into 100.
percentage. We are looking
Oh,
for the
okay.
percentage.
Uh, hold on.
If you
9
have a,
divided by 15,
yes,
uh, point
into
6,
100.
so it's 60%.
So 60%, 53, and now you are moving to 60%. 7%
Right.
is the, but what I am saying that while you are reading the long statements, so that is creating the problem for you. The reason is this, that when you are reading the statements, so you must jot down those
Right.
things which are mathematically over there. And one more
Yeah.
thing is, when the format is not clear, just make a good sense of that. And if the equalities are being used, so just to get rid of the fractions, cross multiplication. Third point is, when you are coming across the type of the question where the two quantities are related to each other, so use the method of ratio. Am I right?
Yeah.
If the equation is given in a format of expression, so plug in the values with the given values. If the single digit values are given, just plug in and make the left hand side, right hand side equal. You will get the answer quickly. Okay. And
Yep.
this is the way. But anyhow, it's a good progress you are learning, so you must do. I will keep on sending these type of the question. Try those question in your own time. Take your time. You can take the longer time. So one thing is that it's just a friendly environment. I'm very much friendly.
Yeah.
Take your time. I'm not pushing you hard that please do this, just be quick, be quick. I'm not saying quick, be quick. Take your time. Just make your calculation. Get ready your pen and pencil and the calculator, and then you must consume the time as much as you like, because it's a practice. When you are just going touching the 80-90%, you will be in a better position to make the speed. Speed is the second issue.
Right.
First issue is understanding. That if you can
Yeah.
understand, if you are taking your time, so take your time to understand, and then give the answer. Do all those type of the calculation. When you're getting practice, and if you're doing reaching to the 80% question, then we'll talk about the speed, and we will learn the tips and tricks how to make up the speed, just to utilize the only second 60 seconds to give the answer. That is the other issue. But first is just to understand the philosophy, the wording of the problem, the mathematical way to solve that, to attempt that. So this is our requirement first. But anyhow, it's a good, keep on that. You are improving, you are learning, you are, although you are committing the silly mistakes, if you are avoiding these, your answer, that you, too, you not attempt it. What I mean to say. So if you are attempting, or if you are just clicking that, that may be hit and trial. So you will get the 11 out of 15 marks. And the other two silly mistakes were there. If we are counting those, so you are all about round about the 80% instead of 60 in this small portion sample test. But anyhow, we will keep on. And one thing more is that I have got the what I mean say those topics, but it's if you can send me the screenshot of the questions also. What I mean to say, all
Okay.
those
Yeah.
questions.
I could try finding those. Yeah.
Okay, if you can send all those, I will come to know that what type of the, because when I was looking those topics, so there is a level of the difficulty is
Yeah.
lot of there. What type of the level I should select? When I will see look through the questions, the screenshot of those questions relevant to these topics, then I will come to know that this is the difficulty level. I must restrict myself to make the presentation according to the your requirement. Anyhow, thank you very much. So well done once again, and we are just leaving and saying Allah Hafiz. Okay, thank you. Okay, Allah Hafiz.
All right. I love this.